Oh, this should be right here. Will it fit? Yes, it fits. How cool. Hello everyone, I've got something really cool right here. I've got the DeLorean from Back to the Future. Time machine in a 1/64 scale, and this is a premium version made by DCM, probably not licensed. Very cool background, and here some text. Freeze the frame if you want to read it. Pretty thick layer here. I don't think there are any accessories, but who knows? We'll find out. I don't know. It's still in the package. I don't think I have any other model from DCM. I think this is the first one. Yeah, very cool 80s style background. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Yep, there is an accessory to hook on the electric wire when the lightning strikes. Oh man, this thing looks amazing. Check all these details. Wait a minute, I switch to detail mode. We're going to zoom in a little bit because this is very well done. This must be handwork. Look at that interior. Holy smoke. No opening parts, but with so many details, that is definitely not necessary. Yep, we got a license plate. I like that. Landslides here in the back. I'm impressed. I'm impressed. This is looking very good, and I'm curious about the base. Whoa. Oh, the only thing I want to know. Let's see. Let's get some light here. The dashboard and all the buttons. Let's put some light inside. No, there's nothing on the dashboard, so maybe there's a little bit here. That's the light. We go to here, and then we can see inside. Wow, there are a lot of details already, but in my opinion, there should be some sticker on the dashboard or something. And I don't see any seat belts. If you look at this, come on, whoa. Not sure if everything is right, if all these wires are also on the one on the film. Yeah, this is metal. Diecast model. Okay, there we go. Plastic base. Aww. I was expecting a metal base. That would be cool. But I have to say, it looks fantastic. It looks really good. And all these wires and all these details. Fantastic. Now, I'm not, like I said, I'm not an expert in Back to the Future. Time machines. But this looks totally awesome to me. Room for improvement. Yeah, the dashboard. The metal base. Yeah, I'm a Dutch guy. I have to complain about something. Anyways. Oh no, not anyways. Thanks for watching. Let's compare it with the one from Hot Wheels. So this is the one from Hot Wheels. It's a little bit longer. This one seems to be more bulky, and it also has a metal base, and the tires are also a little bit wider. I think that this is cooler. I think this one also needs some wider tires, especially in the back. I think the real one also got wider tires. Yeah. Also a license plate, difficult to see, but it is something that looks like a license plate, and yeah. Details. See, this one is also a little bit different. Maybe this is one from another Back to the Future. That is also possible. And I'm also getting happy of this one. Yeah. Both time scenes, but I get happy of both. Okay, this is the one from Tomica. This one is bigger, more like 3-inch. This one has the out of time license plate. Also a good one in my opinion. Has a plastic base, not much details. Let's have a look inside with this one. Yeah, I remember the steering wheel was pretty ugly, and that's also with the one from Hot Wheels. I think the steering wheels come from the same factory. I'm joking. I think it's easier to or cheaper to make a steering wheel of an interior with a steering wheel like that. Okay, let me know what you think about this premium model. And I hope some Diecast brand is going to make another one with metal base and some details on the dashboard. For the rest, it's perfectly fine. Don't forget to smash the like button. Click, 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 click. And have a good day. Bye.